today. Actually, it was a very cheerful and lively visit today because syempre, nakitaan sa mong papa ay ang mga girls. Actually, as we entered the room, nandun na siya. He was early today, maybe because alam niyang kami dalawa yung bibisita. So, he was early today and nakatalikod siya. So, pagpasok namin nakatalikod na. I shouted, Dada Rudy! Tapos pag-ingon niya, ayun, nakasmile. And then, syempre, nagbeso kami, nagmano, naghug. And then, sabi niya, my little girls. So, yun yung tawag niya sa amin ng sister ko, si VP Sara. Little girls niya daw. So, today, medyo mahaba yung kwentuhan. And he was, ayun, bumalik yung pagka-humorous niya nung kaming dalawa yung nandun. And he was even, joking around kasi may microphone dun, tinatabunan niya, tapos ganyan na naman. And kinakausap niya yung whoever's monitoring it. So yeah, it was a very parang cheerful visit today.